Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Audi A3 versus the Mazda 3 Turbo. We'll explore which compact luxury sedan might be the better fit for your lifestyle. First, let's talk performance. The Audi A3 comes with a smooth engine producing 201 horsepower, offering a balanced and efficient drive. In contrast, the Mazda 3 Turbo boasts a more robust 250 horsepower, providing a noticeably quicker and more exhilarating experience. Both cars deliver excellent power for their class. Moving inside, the Audi A3 presents a sleek, minimalist interior with high-quality materials and a focus on digital integration. Its cabin feels distinctly premium and modern. The Mazda 3 Turbo, however, provides a surprisingly upscale and driver-centric environment, often exceeding expectations for its price point. Both vehicles come equipped with intuitive infotainment systems and a comprehensive suite of safety technologies, ensuring a connected and secure ride for all occupants. When it comes to the driving experience, the Audi A3 prioritizes comfort and refinement, offering a smooth and composed ride ideal for daily commutes and longer journeys. It feels solid and predictable on the road. The Mazda 3 Turbo, on the other hand, delivers a more dynamic and engaging driving experience, with sharper handling and a sportier feel that enthusiasts will appreciate. Considering overall features and performance, the Mazda 3 Turbo often provides a more compelling value for your investment. Finally, let's consider practicality. Both the Audi A3 and Mazda 3 Turbo offer sufficient trunk space and comfortable seating for their class, making them suitable for daily errands and weekend trips. Your ultimate choice will likely depend on whether you prioritize the Audi's understated luxury and refined ride, or the Mazda's spirited performance and exceptional value. For more great deals, and to check out those leak-proof meal prep containers, be sure to look at the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.